In this video, I will be teaching you how you can set up trailing stop loss on Charles Schwab. So first thing you need to do is open up your Charles Schwab app and then log in your account. After that, you have to click on this trade button from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you have to search for the stock or ETF that you want to set up your stop loss for. So you can just simply click on this search bar and search for the specific stocks. For example, I'm searching for Amazon and select Amazon from the search results. Then you just have to click on this select action button and from the menu select sell option. Now you just have to enter the quantity of shares that you want to sell, and then you can simply click on this order type limit in this option, and then it's going to open up this pop-up menu or this drop down menu. From here you have to select this trailing stop option. Then you just have to enter the trailing amount. You can enter it in points or percentage. It depends on your choice. And then you can also select the timing if you want, and then click on this review order button after you done these things. Then on the screen you will be able to see the preview of your order. So you just have to make sure that you have selected the right amount and the order type as trailing stop. Once you confirm these things, scroll down and then you will find this place order button at the bottom of your screen. You just have to tap on it, and then that's it. Your trailing stop loss has been set up in your Charles Schwab. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.